Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3131, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3131? What's the symbolism of 3131? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3131 mean for love? What does 3131 mean for twin flames? What does 3131 for manifestation? How does angel number 3131 affect finances? What does 3131 mean for former relationships? How does 3131 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3131? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3131? What's the meaning of angel number 3131? Angel number 3131 carries a message of optimism, creativity, and spiritual encouragement. It blends the vibrational energies of number 3, associated with growth, communication, and joy, and number 1, which symbolizes new beginnings, leadership, and initiative. Seeing 3131 is a divine reminder that your thoughts create your reality, and it's time to act on your ideas with confidence. This number encourages self-expression and trusting your inner guidance. You're being called to embrace opportunities that align with your true purpose. Your angels are near, urging you to stay positive, focused, and proactive in building the life you envision. What's the symbolism of angel number 3131? Symbolically, angel number 3131 represents alignment between mind, spirit, and action. The repetition of 3 and 1 emphasizes creativity, self-belief, and the power of thought. The number 3 reflects divine inspiration, artistic energy, and communication with the spiritual realm, while 1 brings ambition, progress, and leadership. Together, they symbolize a harmonious balance between spiritual insight and real-world initiative. It's a sign that the universe is supporting your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. This number also symbolizes synchronicity, reminding you that you are on the right path when you act with clarity, purpose, and spiritual trust. What is the angel number 3131 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3131 highlights awakening and creative alignment with your higher self. The repeated 3s signal a strong connection with the ascended masters and divine support, while the 1s remind you to embrace your power. This number indicates that your spiritual gifts are activating, and it's time to express them with courage and authenticity. It encourages meditation, mindfulness, and active engagement with your soul's mission. Spiritually, 3131 is about tuning into inner wisdom and recognizing that your intuition and imagination are key tools in manifesting your spiritual purpose. What does the angel number 3131 mean for love? In love, angel number 3131 suggests growth, emotional expression, and positive shift. It encourages open communication and the courage to express your true feelings. If you're in a relationship, it may be a sign to strengthen emotional bonds through honesty and creative ways of connecting. For singles, 3131 can indicate the arrival of a new love that resonates with your spiritual path. This number asks you to be confident in love, trusting that being your authentic self will attract the right partner. It supports emotional healing, playful energy, and partnerships that allow for both independence and connection. What does angel number 3131 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 3131 signifies energetic alignment, communication breakthroughs, and spiritual readiness. The presence of 3 suggests divine timing and creative energy within the connection, while 1 highlights the importance of personal growth and individuality. This number may appear during a phase when both flames are learning to stand strong on their own while remaining spiritually connected. It supports healing through expression and may signal a reunion or a new phase of understanding. 3131 reminds twin flames that spiritual missions are central to their bond, and alignment comes from inner balance and mutual personal evolution. What does angel number 3131 for manifestation? Angel number 3131 is a powerful sign for manifestation, especially through creativity, optimism, and clear intention. The number 3 energizes visualization, affirmations, and joyful co-creation, while the number 1 empowers initiative and focus. When you see 3131, your angels are encouraging you to keep your thoughts positive and align your actions with your desires. This number suggests that the universe is responding to your energetic output. What you think and speak is rapidly shaping your reality. Manifestation will flourish when you combine inspired ideas with decisive, confident action rooted in faith and self-belief. How does angel number 3131 affect finances? Angel number 3131 influences finances by promoting innovative thinking, strategic action, and abundant mindset. The threes suggest that creativity or communication-based work may bring financial rewards, while the ones push you to take initiative and explore new opportunities. This number supports entrepreneurial efforts or a new financial venture fueled by passion and vision. It reminds you to believe in your capabilities and to seek abundance with confidence. Financial growth is possible if you stay proactive and trust your instincts. Let go of fear or scarcity thinking. 3131 urges you to see money as a tool for fulfilling your higher purpose. What does angel number 3131 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3131 suggests healing and growth from former relationship. It urges you to reflect on past experiences with compassion, identifying what lessons helped shape who you are today. The threes promote forgiveness and emotional release, while the ones highlight the need for new beginnings. This number encourages you to let go of resentment and use the wisdom gained to improve future connections. It's a sign that you've spiritually outgrown certain dynamics, and healing is available through self-expression and clarity. You're being guided to move forward with an open heart, leaving emotional baggage behind. How does angel number 3131 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 3131 encourages innovation, leadership, and authenticity. It may indicate a new opportunity, career change, or creative venture aligned with your true calling. The number 3 energizes communication and artistic talents, while 1 inspires independence and initiative. This number guides you to trust your ideas and take steps toward roles that offer growth and self-expression. You may feel called to share your voice, lead projects, or build something of your own. 3131 also reminds you to keep your mindset positive and open to inspired changes that can bring fulfillment and professional success. What are the strengths of angel number 3131? The strengths of angel number 3131 include creativity, confidence, and visionary leadership. People influenced by this number are often excellent communicators with a strong spiritual connection and an ability to uplift others. Their optimism and resilience allow them to navigate challenges with grace and inspire those around them. This number supports emotional intelligence, the ability to manifest through thought and action, and an eagerness to try new things. The repeated pattern of 3 and 1 fosters harmony between inspiration and execution. Those guided by 3131 can channel divine guidance into practical results with joy and authenticity. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3131? Weaknesses of angel number 3131 can include impulsiveness, scattered energy, or self-doubt. The strong influence of number 3 can lead to overthinking, emotional ups and downs, or difficulty finishing what started. The number may first trigger ego-driven decisions or a fear of vulnerability. Individuals under 3131's energy might struggle to ground their ideas or feel overwhelmed by their creative drive. There can also be a tendency to avoid necessary discipline or responsibility. To overcome these weaknesses, focus, patience, and self-trust are key. Finding balance between inspiration and consistent effort helps fully harness the power of this angel number.